In my current role at our early childhood department, I also oversee nutrition services. And so I had briefly used myplate.gov before, but it was more in the context of find the information I'm looking for and then share it out either to staff or to families. And so I hadn't really taken the time to dig deeper into the website to see what's available. And I have found that they have a lot of good resources on here for people of all ages, depending on whom your audience is. And so I selected kids. And when you scroll down, there are different selections that you can make as far as you're looking for games and apps or activity sheets. There also talks about become a MyPlate champion and what that means and how do you become a MyPlate champion. And so if I select games and apps and scroll down, it goes to, they have about 5 or 6 different games or apps that kids can do either in the classroom or at home if you send it to parents. I found this one, the Breakfast Around the World, interesting, and you go around and select different places in the world and what they would eat for breakfast. And then there's also books on here and games that they can play. But then there's also activity sheets that you can send home with families or do in your classroom. The food critic activity where they draw their food and then they have to sample it and what smells taste the best. Different games, but these are great resources that you could, again, like I said, utilize in the classroom or make it a part of a family engagement night with families if you're doing a piece on nutrition, or that you can send home with them to do with their parents to help utilize healthy eating habits at home. So I plan on using more of these pieces as part of my nutrition services piece at my job, my current role, and hopefully I can get more interactive with families as far as utilizing healthy habits and using this myplate.gov website.